Okay. Inshallah, in class, you made the 10 questions. I hope your questions are good questions and there's nothing crazy. After you make the questions, we have to make the survey. And for this survey, excuse me, you can see Fatima's message on my screen. For this survey, we will use Microsoft Forms, which is this little one here with the F. Let me quit WhatsApp. So you're going to press this one here, F. Do not press S. Do not press S. Same color, but we need this one. Every time somebody presses the wrong one. Hadha. Now, when you open, you will not see this. But you will see this. And we need to go for new form. Okay. Best. In here, you're going to type task 3.1 daily routine, because this is our topic. If you want, you can add a picture to go with this by pressing here. Let me see what pictures come. None of these pictures are very good. Yuck. Maybe I will type routine. None of these pictures are very good. So halas, I will put no picture for this. Now, next we need to add the questions. We will add the questions one by one. Add new. And then, mashallah, my question is already here. Because it copied from the last time. Okay, you will see this and you will press choice. And then here, you will type the question. So I'm going to use, do you sleep in class? For some of you, make sure capital letter question mark, okay? Answer number 1 will be yes, I do. Full answer. Answer number 2, no, I don't. Full answer, okay? For this, I will add the picture. So I press here. I will put an image. Let's say sleep in class. Oh, mashallah, same as my students. I choose this one. And I press add. And now the picture is coming here. Slowly, but coming. To make a new question, I will press add new. And same every question today like this, choice. We also have questions about time. What time do you go to bed? Question mark. For the time question, and I told you this in class, make sure you have before and after, okay? And when you add the time, please, the same time for each one. So let's say before 11 p.m. or after 11 p.m. 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, yani before, yani after. Same, let me see if there's a good picture for go to bed. I will use this one because it's more cute. And add. So now I have 1 question, 2 questions. You will have 10 questions, okay? If you want, you can change the design. And if you want to see your quiz will look like this. Or if you do on the mobile phone, your quiz will look like this, okay? MashaAllah, nice. Now, last step is where some students have the problem. When you finish the quiz, you have to press share. You have to change this box. If you do not change this box, we have a problem. Change to anyone can respond. Okay, anyone. And then you're going to copy paste this and you will send this to me, or you will send this to your teacher to check. Okay, best that. So title daily routine, 10 questions with picture, share, anyone can respond, copy the link, send to me. And halas, task 3.1, kind of done, except for step 2. But yalla, I will see you in class. Ma salama.